Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to another video on how we made this beautiful C-cut braided wig with French curls extension. You can see how beautiful it's looking. So if it's something you'll be interested in, do well to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your bell to get notified whenever I post another tutorial. So let's get right into the video. Okay, I just received my French curls from my plug, and this is what it looks like. This is what the original French curls or spiral curls bundle looks like. I just went ahead to mark in my hair, and I'm making use of our 7x8 closure. It's made with 100% human hair. So I'll go in to bleach my knots. So if you want a video on how to bleach knots, do well to drop it on the comment section. And this is the French cord. So you have to keep watching because I showed you how to detangle the French cords, how to detangle these long French cords for you to come out that beautiful and lush. So I just went in to draw my line just like I want to sew a wig, but I did not draw the line to the ends, like to the ends of the cap. You can see the other side I stopped at a certain place. Yeah, so I'm just going to use my crochet. I'm using the medium crochet pin to braid the hair. I'm using not the bigger crochet, the medium one. So this is just me doing my box braid. After I crochet it, then you divide one part into two, like the up part you divide it into two, then you start braiding. You don't try to divide into three at first, because if you do that, you will end up tangling your French coils, and you don't want that, because if your French coils is tangled at the end, you will not get the beautiful results that you want. So this is just me braiding it, picking and braiding. So you just take your time, you walk slowly, not much. You can see, because if I want to braid as fast as I want, the French coils is going to tangle. So this is not attachment, because I braid more faster with attachment, but this French coils now I have to slow down on braiding. So this is how to achieve that flawless and tangle free French cut. You have to spray your oil sheen from the down of the French cut, like so, just like I did here. But you have to be very generous with your oil sheen spray. You have to be very generous with your oil sheen spray. So I'm going ahead to pick this other side. You can see that this particular side that I'm braiding now, I did not draw my line up to that place, so I just pick one. Hence is because you don't want the both sides to be extra full while the back is empty. So the back, this back part that we drew that line with our chalk, it's where it's supposed to be properly covered. So it's supposed to be properly covered by these two sides. You know, we are going to braid at the closure part, and it's going to cover it. And again, it's not nice for it to be so full, for it to be so bulky, but that back side, you need it to be full and you need it to cover, so that whenever your client or you wear your wig and shake your hair, they won't be seeing that back, that is the black cap. Like, you see some people will wear it and they'll be seeing the black cap. You can see that we have covered it and it's not even showing. The black cap is not showing here. There was no light, that's why this place is not bright. But I just making this video for you to understand. I cut two parts as my base. Like, I braided one line first and the second line as my base before I go in to draw my C-cut. You just draw your C-cut the way you are drawing your C-cut on your wig, like maybe on a 5x5 closure, just the way you draw your C-cut. That's the way I did it here. Draw my C-cut line. I made use of tweezer, but yes, a particular type of tweezer, this tiny one. You can see the tip is different from the regular tweezer we use. You can get this at the wig making store. It comes it comes in sets. So this one is the tiny one. I use it to pluck the hair, the stick cuts to be visible. Then I just going to cut. You can see the way I just going to cut my lines according to the C cut. So that's how I'm going to braid the knotless, and inside I just do the box thing. And so to get this trending kind of on your the trending kind of knotless, you're going to use your, I don't know what they call this, so but here in calling misila, to divide your hair into two. Then you now plait it like this, as if you are taking two hairs from two different parts, but it is just the one that you cut out to use to braid, you just divide it into two, and then you braid it like so. So it's not give you this I don't know what to call it, but you understand what I'm saying. To give you this line in between, what is trending now. It will give you this line in between that is making the knotless to not be like the regular knotless. I don't know, you get the I still don't know if you get it though, but this is what it will look like if you divide the if you section the hair into two parts, like the particular one to use to braid the knotless, you section it into two parts. This is what you get, and this is the final result of our wig. Isn't this pretty? We have this available in different colors for purchase, for immediate delivery and pickup. We ship worldwide, so please do well to like, share, comment, and turn on your bell. Share this video if you find this helpful. Please do well to leave a comment, and we are available for all kinds of braided wig also.